welcome to this Mark's Distribution Tutorials video. Here's a classic one for you. Is your 1 Series seats, this has sports seats in it, 1 Series or 3 Series, are the seats too small, too tight? It has these big bolsters. As you can see, you sit right in there, and if you're a bit larger across the back, they can get very constricting. Now, I only found this out about my 1 Series. I broke my ribs, and it used to always be snug. You'd sit in and feel the sides, but I didn't think too much of it. Then I broke my ribs, and all of a sudden that pressure was a real problem. I actually got a cushion and sat it in here so I could sit further out, not in the bolsters. Unbeknownst to me, there is a little switch down here, which is all about these sides. You hear that, and you see them, they're actually inflating. Little airbags in there. Have a listen. That's when you let them out. That's when you pump them up. So you can adjust these seat bolsters to hold you in place when you're racing around in your 1 Series as much as you like. See how much that's come in? And then letting them off. So fully adjustable. So if you've had that problem with your 1 Series, oh my gosh, the seat's too tight, I'm too big, whatever conclusion you've come to, that's the answer. They are adjustable.